What's up, everybody? We got rain in the forecast, and you know what that means. It's time to plant trees. We're out here, and we planted a lot of trees today. This is Southern California. This is Zone 10. We're here in the San Fernando Valley, where it gets nice and hot, 100 degrees and up in the summer. And that means we want to plant mangoes. Check it out. Look at all these mango trees we just planted. There's going to be a 100% chance of rain in the next few days. And if there's one thing these trees love, it's rainwater. And so once we see rain in the forecast, we start to go crazy. We start planting trees. Here are a bunch of mango trees we planted. This is a fruit punch from seed, sweet tart mango from seed. Here's another sweet tart mango from seed, and orange sherbet mango, all planted from seed. That's right, people. I tell everyone I know, I try to spread the word, plant your mango trees from seed out here in this marginal climate. This is not the most ideal climate for mangoes, so you want to plant from seed because they grow stronger, they grow more vigorously. And in my experience, these little guys, especially if you grow the certain types like sweet tart, for example, this will flower and fruit in about 3 to 4 years. Around the same time, a grafted mango tree will flower and fruit. So there's so much more benefits in planting mango trees from seed. I can't stress that enough. I try to spread the word and tell folks, plant your mango trees from seed, especially out here in Southern California, Zone 10, all right? So again, we're in the valley. It's gonna get nice and hot. These mango trees will grow really well and fruit fast. And look at the spacing. Yes, we pack them in. We don't got a lot of space. By the way, I'm at a relative's house, and this is his yard. And the goal here, we're gonna transform this yard. Slowly, we're gonna transform it, and we're gonna start to plant a lot more trees out here because there's a lot of room here, and there's a lot of great things you could plant. We're gonna try to encourage them to maybe take some of the trees out and give us more space to plant. Like here's a huge tree, it's kind of dead, but this is a massive tree. It's in the center of the yard, it's taking over a lot of space. But I'm looking at the center of the trunk. It kind of looks dead to me, or dying. So hopefully they could take this out, and then we have a lot more room to plant stuff. Here's a fig tree, nice fig tree. I don't know the variety. I've never had the fruit from it. And here's a tree they've started to stump back and move out. So we'd have room to plant something right here along this path over here. Let me show you one more tree we planted. We planted this one, the granddaddy of all fruit trees, in my opinion, for here in Southern California. And that's the mulberry tree, planted from a 1-gallon pot, the mulberry tree. And you will not believe how fast this thing can grow. In 1 year, it can get to 10 feet tall. And it's a tremendous, fantastic tree. Here's a pomegranate tree we planted. When did we plant this pomegranate tree? It's like 2 or 3 years ago? Yeah. A pomegranate tree we planted from a cutting. Guys, you want to see a huge fig tree? Check this out. You're about to see the biggest fig tree I've ever seen here growing anywhere. This is the biggest fig tree I've ever seen growing anywhere. Check this out. Boom! Enormous fig tree. I believe this is the brown turkey or black mission fig I planted, I don't know when, but look at the trunk. My goodness, look at that trunk. This is a huge fig tree. It's got to be at least 40 or 50 feet tall. Wow! Incredible size fig tree. Yeah, so there's a lot of root competition here, but we can make it work. We can make it happen. And that's what's going on here in 2023, Southern California. Hope you guys liked the video. We're transforming yards this year. We're gonna transform as many yards as we can. If you guys are interested, just let me know. Maybe we could work together and get more fruit trees planted in all different kinds of places. All right, people, as always, like, subscribe. Let me know how your trees are doing. Let's stay in touch.